Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. I am in Malé, the capital of Maldives, very crowded city. It's evening time, so people are returning from their work, and I thought to come out and take some video. The sunset is really amazing here, but I couldn't take it properly because I couldn't reach the right place to take the sunset. But anyway, I'll do it once I get time. Maybe not this trip, maybe the next trip I'll do it. It's almost like sun has set. It's people are going home after their work, and this is a place where I'm sitting is the jetty area where lots of boats come from different resorts and different islands. Malé is not very popular among tourists because what happens in Maldives is people come for vacations to a resort in Maldives. They land at the airport, and then they take a seaplane or a boat and they go to the particular resort. So that's what happens. So Malé is actually a commercial place where everything happens in Maldives. Everything in the sense, all the government offices are here, all the head offices are here. Most of the resorts will have a head office, it's here. This is a place where the port is there, so all the shipments, everything comes here. Airport is nearby. So most of the commercial activities happens in Malé. The healthcare facilities are here. It's a beautiful city, a place where you can get almost everything. Just walk around and you can shop for everything. You can buy a car, you can buy a TV, or anything. That's Malé. There are few things which I really like about Malé. The first thing is it's a very compact place. You can move around and get all your things done in a very short time. It's like from one end to the other end you can walk in just 45 minutes or 1 hour. You don't even need a vehicle, to be very honest. I didn't feel the need of a vehicle. I have worked in this island for almost 20 years now. If you need a vehicle, you can get a cab, but that's very easy. It takes just around 10 to 15 minutes to reach the airport. You can take a cab or you can take a boat. Earlier it was only boats. Now there's a bridge which connects Malé and the airport. So it's just 10 to 15 minutes. You can reach the airport. Then the place is fairly neat and clean. The city is well maintained. There is a very good garbage collection system, so you won't find any piles of garbage being dumped here and there. Regarding traveling to Maldives as a tourist, people are still very much confused because the regulations are being changed every now and then, but the latest regulations says that you need to have a hotel booking. The hotel should be the one which is listed in the Safe Tourism website. That you can check the immigration website also. You need to have a confirmed booking for all the days that you are traveling. You need to have a return ticket. You need to have your vaccination certificate plus both the vaccination to be done. There is a list of vaccines. Anyway, Covishield is approved, Covaxin is approved, so that shouldn't be a problem. And then you need to have a COVID negative RT-PCR test report, which should not be older than 96 hours when you reach Maldives. So this is the condition what you need to come to travel to Maldives. You can travel to islands also, there's no issue in that. Only thing is you need to make sure that the place where you are staying is approved by the Health Ministry of Maldives, or you can check the list in the website. That's the only thing. A lot of people are traveling. It's a good time to travel. It's not raining here. In India, it's raining cats and dogs. Lots of damages being happening. Anyway, so that's all for now. I will return home. Sorry, I'll return to the hotel room. The city is well lit. And one more biggest thing is it's very safe. You can go out anytime in the night. In between there were problems of some small drug addicts, but it was some problem. Not wearing the mask when I was walking, but I didn't go near to anybody. It's wrong not to wear the mask and move around.